Welcome to Mkirikacha TV. Something sinister is coming for your tomatoes. It strikes in the dark, spreads in silence, and before you know it, your healthy tomato plant becomes a ghost of what it once was. This is not just a disease, it's a blight, and it doesn't care how green your thumb is. Blight is a ruthless fungal disease. It travels with the wind, thrives in humidity, and loves a crowded tomato garden. Once it latches on, it's game over, unless you strike first. You can't punch a fungus, you can't scare it away. But you can spray it to oblivion. But spraying without strategy is like aiming in the dark. You must know where to hit. And here's the kicker. Most people miss the most important targets. Blight begins its reign on the leaves, the upper, the lower, especially the ones touching the soil. Spray them all, top and bottom. That's where the spores first land. Next, the branches. These are the fungal highways. Miss them, and the disease will ride straight into the heart of the plant. If the stem gets infected, your plant is on life support. Spray it thoroughly from top to base. Don't just mist, coat it. Now here's what most forget. The root zone. No, don't dig up your plant, just drench the base with a fungicidal solution. The blight starts in soil sometimes, and crawls its way up like a horror story. Spraying once is not enough, this is war. You need a schedule, a strategy, a rhythm. Want to go organic? Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a few drops of dish soap, and a liter of water. Add neem oil if you have it. Shake, spray, defend. You can't control the weather, you can't stop the spores in the air, but you can stand between your tomato plant and its greatest enemy. All it takes is the right spray, and knowing exactly where to strike. Did this video protect your tomatoes? Then protect this channel. Like this video, comment below with your blight war stories, subscribe to Mkirikacha TV for more tomato saving secrets, and share this with every tomato grower you know. Mkirikacha TV, where knowledge grows like tomatoes.